Naouri logistics depots are the most technologically advanced in the country, fully integrated with key stakeholders and powered by AI for precision container handling and seamless data flow. The moment a truck arrives, our AI-driven OCR cameras instantly read both container and truck numbers with pinpoint accuracy. This data is then cross-referenced with the Aqaba container terminal's live database, pulling verified information such as container type, size, and its registered shipping line. An automated validation follows, confirming the container is pre-approved for storage within our depot. Our expert inspectors then carry out a detailed visual and structural check, logging the container's condition and all operational data directly into our depot management system. Finally, the gate-in record is transmitted electronically via EDI to carriers, instantly or at agreed-upon intervals, ensuring flawless communication. Naouri Logistics, world-class logistics fulfilled locally.